Is mom competitive?
At times. Whenever she wins, she goes, ha 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 ha. She laughs. She's like a coach. Because she tells people like what to do straight up. She's fun.
But does she let you win?
No.
No?
No, she's a competitive mom. Did you know that whoever beats mom is in danger?
Yes.
No, go to us.
Because the people that are going up against her,
Yes,
they're missing something. They're missing one thing.
Okay, para bigyang linaw, whoever beats mom is in danger. So,
Hinulog ako nung anak ko sa part na yun.
bakit? Saan mo nakuha yung gano'n kaka-competitive na kahit si Johan
Hindi
di mo
kasi
pinapanalo?
bilang mom, bilang nanay, competitive ka, para yung anak mo din, competitive din siya sa mga sinasalihan nila.
Okay, so alam niyo na kung
Alam
sino
na.
ang kalaban yung ngayong hapon. Okay?